guys, I'm Kim.
I'm Tim, the groom.
I'm the bride. We booked on Coria, Manila our first dance and parents dance and also the after party.
Yeah.
Sobrang worth it yung pag-book namin kasi ang haba ng pasensya nila. Kahit na,
Kami dancer, pero
yeah! Sobrang thank you kay Sir Lian.
yeah, thank you Sir Lian.
Also yung
Sobrang
sa
solid
after
mo.
party kasi nag-enjoy yung family talaga namin.
Thank you for the Coria Manila experience.